Hi everybody and welcome. Today I had the JBL Charge 6 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily make your speaker sound better. So at first we have to install our application which is suitable for our speaker, and a tutorial video for that you can find on our channel. And in our application, which is called JBL Portable, we can see the equalizer here. I prefer setting our equalizer for our just preferences. For me the best one is JBL Signature or this Vocal one, not custom, Vocal one here. These are two best for me. I wouldn't recommend enabling Playtime Boost because, as you can see, equalizer is disabled then, or the volume will be turned up. Actually, no, I wouldn't recommend using that. Apart from that, we can enter our Bluetooth settings on our phone here. No modes, JBL Bluetooth, and enter settings of our device. Here we can scroll down until we see HD audio, and we can enable that. It will increase the quality of our device. And that's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.